Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for January and it is the Plouise budget box. This is going to be my very last subscription box from them on this channel for now. That's not to say I'm going to completely stop, because they do one-off boxes, so I am going to dip in and out, but my subscription is stopping. I've been a subscriber for exactly a year now and it is an amazing subscription. The cost of the box is £30. It ships internationally. It costs £1 shipping to the UK. Out of the UK, shipping is calculated at checkout, so you can find out that way. It contains full-size Plouise beauty products, skincare, makeup, tools. A lot of the times we receive exclusives, so products that haven't been released yet. The packaging is stunning, quirky, cool, really gorgeous. The actual products themselves are really great quality. The eyeshadows are flawless, amazing products. The reason I'm stopping is because I got a shitload of eyeshadows. A load of them, and it's becoming a little bit overwhelming because I love makeup. I'm obsessed with makeup. I'm actually trained in makeup. I used to do it years ago. There's only so much makeup I can use and I don't want to give any of this away because it's so pretty. So my pile is just increasing. Plus, this subscription was developed with makeup artists in mind. So essentially you get to create your own makeup kit. So some boxes you might find 3 bronzers in different shades or 4 blushes in different shades, which for me is a little bit underwhelming. I can see the point. Great, handy if you are a makeup artist, but I'm not anymore. And yeah, it's like I would prefer to have different products instead of like 3 or 4 of the same. We don't get it every month. It doesn't always happen, but it does happen. So that's why I mention it to you. They release new products all the time. So hence why we get a lot of like different eyeshadow palettes and things. They are so pretty. But yeah, I've just, I've got to have a break. I could keep on doing it just for YouTube. But then, as I said, I just can't get rid of them because a lot of the things that you see me unbox on YouTube, at the end of a month or every 2 months or so, I have a really good rummage through, and products that I've tested, don't like, I pass on. Products that are duplicates, I pass on. Friends, family, I even make up little boxes to give to people and events and things like that. So I don't keep absolutely everything you see, especially all the advent calendars I've recently done, you know. I can't keep it all because I've only just got the one face. I can't, unfortunately. But with Plouise, I can't get rid of it because it's so pretty. So yeah, I have to stop, but I will dip in and out because I can't resist. You'll find details of the subscription down below in my description, as well as all my other discount codes for different websites and any giveaways I have running. I've got a big list down below, so you'll find details down there. But this box works a month in advance. So basically, this is the December box. I received it the beginning of January. So if you subscribe now, you won't get this box. You will get the January box the beginning of February, but you have got the option to get this box as a one-off for £30. So exactly the same price as the budget box, which is good. I really like that. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I think so. I've just opened it up, had a quick sneak peek, but I haven't properly rummaged through yet, so I wanted to do it with you. So let's get on to open this up and seeing exactly what I got. Very pretty, very pretty. They haven't got their big leaflet. Normally they have a rather pointless card. It's really big normally in their boxes, and it's just got Plouise budget box written on it. No information about the products inside. That is one thing I really wish they would do. Please let me know if they do it on their website, because I haven't looked into it. I keep on forgetting. So I don't know, but it would be nice to know more about the products inside the box, just a little write-up about them, and if they're available, if they're exclusives and things like that. So that's a bit of feedback from myself, but there could always be information on the website, I don't know. So first up, we've got a drinks bottle. I have got a ton of these, a ton of them. So very pretty, but I will pass this on. This is one of the things I will pass on. It says 1 spoon or 2. I'm sweet and no sugar, babe. Oh, I haven't got a clue. Yeah, it's a drinks. It's an empty drinks bottle. Yeah, not fussed on that. Next, we've got a Bad Bitch Energy Juice Candy Kisses. It contains a lip conditioner and a lip oil. We have had many of these in their boxes. We generally get them monthly because I have had quite a few. Very pretty. First up, the lip oil. This is in Sugar Rush. It protects and hydrates dry and damaged lips with each application. Look, it's got its own little keyring there. They are very cute. Just having a sniff. It's clear, you can't see anything. What's it supposed to be? Candy cane. Sugar Rush. It smells a bit like burnt sugar. That's a bit weird. So you've got a lip oil anyway. I'm getting confused. This is the lip conditioner. This is the lip oil. And we have got Stay Shining, Super Hydrating Formula. And this is in Candy Kisses. They all look the same. Really, really pretty. But does this have the same smell in, like a burnt sugar? Ooh, yeah. It does. Like a almost toffee, candy flossy, burnt sugar smell. It's not horrible, but it's a little bit weird. That would just make me want to just lick my lips all the time. So that's the lip oil. Then we've got a bubble bath here. This is Candy Coated Cleanse, Sugar Rush. I never sugarcoat things, babe. I'm sweet enough. And it's sealed. So I'll just open this up. This is so cute. I haven't got a bath, but I could use that for a foot bath because I do use a foot bath quite regularly. We have had a massive version before, which is cool. Sugar Rush. Whoa. That just smells like sweets, and I can't think what the sweets are. My mind has gone blank. It smells like really cheap. You know, you can get like really cheap little bottles of pop then, fizzy drinks, and a raspberry taste. That's what it smells like. It smells really nice. I'm describing it really awfully, but yeah. It's sort of like a raspberry sort of smelling thing. So yeah, so we've got our bubble bath. Next, we've got a Follow Me. Oh, this is really pretty. Follow Me to Candy Cane Lane, where all our sweet memories remain. What is this? Pressed Pigment Palette. Oh, look. I'll take the wrapping off. But it's like a 3D scene in there. See what I mean? This is gorgeous. How can I give any of this away? Look. Oh, it's so, so lovely. Can you see there? I know again the ring light is a bit of a pain. So what are you? Oh, look, it's a little blush and highlight palette. That's really nice actually. Yeah, I don't mind that because we've got a few different shades there and the shades that I would use. I'm not sure about that one, but this type of colour always makes me think, oh, heck no. But then it's really pretty. You put a tiny, tiny bit and blend it out and it's just a really, really pretty colour. So I'll give you some swatches. Can you see? So pretty, pretty. The top one, the highlighter is not for me. It's got a lot of pink in it. And yeah, pink highlighters just don't suit me. But the other shades I do really like, and the packaging is just absolutely adorable. There, have another look before I put it away. Isn't it beautiful? Then lastly, we've got, I don't know, this is a Beam of Blinding Glow, I'm guessing a highlighter. No such thing as too much bling. It's a highlighting powder. Ooh, it looks like it has a padded case. It does, look. Can you see? It's material, it's padded. Oh, so smart. Well, what colour are you? Best Actress. Ooh. Oh, wow, look, you've got a mirror down there. But look at that. Wow. Oh, what a stunning colour. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I'd have to see what that is actually like on my skin. But I would definitely use that as an eyeshadow if I can't get it to work as a highlighter for me. How's it blend out there? Yeah, I do really like that. I love the packaging. Yeah, beautiful. So there's all the products inside this month's Plouise budget box. I'll just do a bit of a recap just to go through them all. We got this drinks cup. We got a bubble bath. We got a lip oil, a lip conditioner, a blush, and highlight palette and a highlighter. Besides the cup, there's nothing wrong with it, it's just I have got quite a few of them now and I don't need any more really. But besides that, I do really like everything. I love the lip oils on the conditioners. I have got quite a few of them now. I don't always wear like tinted glosses. A lip conditioner is great, it's a treatment for your lips, but the actual lip oils I wear on top of like a super matte lipstick, just to give it a bit more of a gloss and feel nicer on my lips. They're lovely, really nice, happy with the ones I've got. I'd love to see more lipsticks in this subscription. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this subscription? What do you think about me stopping my subscription and just dipping in and out? Do you think it's wise? What do you think now? Carry on, Claire, we want to see. I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak soon. Take care. Bye.